one of the world's most advanced multi-mission attack helicopters from 120 Squadron, the AH-64D Apache Longbow. And these two combat-ready winged warriors have a combined total of over 3,000 flying hours.
And now, inbound from your lab, Agent will showcase the acceleration and tactical evasive maneuver we call the Sand Weave.
Superiority. It is also one of the most advanced variants of the F-15 aircraft built today. And now, flying in from your right and demonstrating the agility of his aircraft, Major will now perform the triple aileron roll. Avionics and integrated sensor suite to be superior in their air defense and strike capabilities, full spectrum, integrated, and always ready. And now, from your right, Major will flaunt the responsiveness and precise control of his F-15 with the 4-point roll. Flying in at over 1,000 kilometers an hour, the Eagle will flash past the Apache at close proximity. From your left and right, they come. helicopters. This attack
Spectrum of operations.
Major Love now performs the yaw turns and fly right back into show center. This armor-protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify and prioritize over 250 targets and also engage both stationary and moving targets at broad range. Major Love will now perform combat turns. The Apache is equipped with state-of-the-art long-range fire control radar and fire anti-tank missile, and is designed to fight prevail day and night in the first. Backward motion, Major Love will pull up into an impressive Viking climb and swing forward for his next maneuver. Over 300 kilometers an hour. Wow, full combat ready. Flying far at low altitude. Apache pilots are trained to multitask while operating the they are able to manage complex avionics, detect, track, and engage both air and ground targets, provide both air support and to ensure the safety of the air. Next, Major Love will perform a spiral dive, showcasing the agility of this fighting machine finale with a bow and zoom.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is pleasure and welcoming on your passenger. I trust that you enjoyed all the way. On behalf of Team RSAF, we salute the Major with this bow. Checking out.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Make sure you visit the RSAF Facebook at www.facebook.com/RSAF for more exciting updates on our involvement in SA-1X. And don't forget to like us.